What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Hyundai Santa Fe remote key fob. This Hyundai Santa Fe key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to replace this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that to the side. Now if we hold our fob with the buttons facing down, and we grab our screwdriver and take a look at the bottom of it, this is that notch that key just slid out of, and then right below that there's another notch right here that I'm touching with the end of the screwdriver. So what I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch and then just twist it. And as I do that, you can see it splits the two halves of the case apart. Go ahead and pull the back off, and we see our battery right here in this holder. And you can use the screwdriver to carefully help push it out of that holder. The battery will just slide out. Then we'll grab our new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up, positive side up. Go ahead and slide it down into that holder. Then we can snap the two halves back together. Slide our emergency key back in. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.